ITPKA expresses strong opposition to Peace Accord Subclause 2.3. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. I'm Jirbon Kilimpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. The indigenous tribe protection of Karbi Anglong has expressed their strong opposition against the subclause 2.3 of the Peace Accord pertaining to make 10 seats of the Autonomous Council for open category. This was expressed in a press conference convened at Ulukunchi on Tuesday. The organization based in Ulukunchi under the Amri constituency in West Karbi Anglong district, while expressing their deep resentment, said that they made it clear that they would never accept subclause 2.3 of the Peace Accord and anything which posed threat to the very existence of the tribal people and the land which is under the 6th schedule. ITPKA President Bhaskar Rongpi said that the subclause 2.3 under Peace Accord, which was signed between the Central and the Karbi underground groups, is the biggest threat to the tribal people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong. The organization, while demanding for its immediate removal, warned of strong mass agitation if their government fails to fulfill the wishes and demands of their organization.
Actually, Nilitum ki puduni bangke indigenous tribe protection of Karbi Anglong song hin pen puduni bangke alang litum isi alang litum bangke la 2.3 Peace Accord 2021 la so puthak bangke nilitum ITPKA song bangke nilitum chikoi donde alang litum han alang litum isi dak Karbi Anglong bangke implement long le la so jitu 10 seat reservation open for all. Bang litum labang alang litum hanci donde athe alang litum daga bang la so bang thodet pulote litum ke bang jilang arni bang ke litum thedung litum Karbi a tribe indigenous atum bang itum isi a problem tu itum Karbi Anglong long
tum ITPKA song pen bangke la non 10 seat employment that la bangke nilitum la bang so aron bangke nilitum 6 sidul aron la bangke nilitum ITPKA song men nache song wekji lapen la sobangke niltum long project 6 schedule area long lapen kedam tangarni Himonto Biswa Sharma alangli Assam Chief Minister alangli nungje Karbi Anglong 6 schedule area ke konane along le ahoy along le along same namlong lapen ahem phutum jorwek nangji po alam kipu halabang so long mangke nilitum song pen lage che donun thek the lapen nilitum Karbi Anglong lapen la 6 schedule area ke nilitum phan la ke dobare makhaya tuma phanke hajat penon sitame nilatum tensis apu la sosit amukha bangke niltum ke pe contact hello
Hemari Rongpar's report from Ulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. The Bodo community had on Tuesday observed the 33rd Martyrs' Day of the National Democratic Front of Bodoland in Langhin to pay homage to the departed souls of fighters who had given their life for the sake of the tribe. Here is a report. The program was held at Langhin Viva Bhavan and was chaired by former NDFB chairman Bhaben Basumatari. It was attended by former KACM Sarad Brahma as a chief guest in the presence of Bodo leaders including Biseswar Basumatari, Khaudam Basumatari, Himonto Basumatari and several other ex-cadres of the NDFB and their family members. During the program, the former armed group's cadres shared their experiences and incidents while serving in the group. The cadres also recounted and remembered all those who had laid down their lives for the sake of the Bodo community. Talking to the media persons, NDFB General Secretary Prakash Narzari also stated that the government will very soon provide compensation of Rs 5 lakhs to the family members of those cadres who died fighting the Indian Army. Also, those cadres who have been put to jail will also be released and sent home. Sarpangring Tikathar from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Etpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440. Nilip Chokela LEM's chairman Balawan Beg has resigned from his post. The reason for his sudden resignation has been stated as personnel, while the society would continue to function without any effect. Balawan Beg has been stated to have been in the post of chairman for more than 11 years until his resignation. A resignation letter was submitted to the vice chairman last week on Tuesday, but no reason was stated in the letter. While speaking to local media, Beg stated that his resignation was a personal decision and there was no external pressure or reason. He said he tendered his resignation as he have been finding it hard to dedicate time for the society due to other responsibilities.
বিশেষ তেনেকৈ নাই মোৰ মানে কি আগতকৈ অলপ মোৰ নিজৰো এটা কোম্পানী চাকৰি আছে আৰু সেইকাৰণে মোৰ অলপ বাৰ্ডেনো বেছি কাৰণে মই নিজৰ ইচ্ছামতেহে মই ৰেজিগনেশ্যন দিছোঁ বেলেগ একো কাৰণ নাই
Meanwhile, Chokiola LEM's vice chairman Ranjan Tokbi told media that the resignation letter was submitted to the society during its executive meeting which was held last week on September 4. Further, the vice chairman informed that they have not been able to elect new chairman due to the COVID-19 related situation and therefore he would be taking the charge of chairman for the interim period until election in accordance with the law.
Nilip them along, itu mani include pen. Non kedam tanga budian ke prai nengkan krip hon bak pleng tanglo. Na siap tam tak ijud lo. Nilip tu makin mia budi kang waya fansi cisik lo setamela corona protocol pen aja ni masih ni tu mapan atam abang nang extension dah lo.
Further, Dilip Singh Nar told local media that Balawan Beg have been leading the society for more than 11 years and that he has carried out his duties with great responsibility and has not faced any issues under him. He also stated that he resigned as he has personal responsibilities to fulfill and did not want to affect the society's work. He also informed that despite his resignation, the society is continuing its normal function and the essential items are being provided regularly without any issues.
Natum pining we anigastam mithang hemlong natum ke wang pen pothop ni phanda lem salam du thak ka jo posini ga do tum nang tum ni lip kes mi jati man phani lo aka prekali sitai tum lem chairman bang penang ning kan pen lo ke klem prai ning kan krisi bag do lo la penalang li ahok pedala mang bagana long lang li mithang bagana long mi kol goro dang mi niar penak second mi niar penang sarang holget ong kam ke ong pen posalang li ka sik stak pe masi itum lem salong non tong se ko talang li chairman mang chu bu lo in the kapret anjin de tala so kisung lang ani ding pick ni non chikloni lo click lem rap talang ben kata kedam rap ni sik sak do pick akun edum do pick man chma tha ed masi kedam tang ni na prang lang li dak pen ko halang li rian ji pidar lo lasi ni tum ka chinir teng bang ka lang li thang ani oi ta we bon ta kam kong pe masi tong se ko ta lang li rian ji pidar se lang li la non bang ke white president masi ako ronjong to bi masi lang pa ko non ma chairman sab chi bon.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokiola for Karbi Anglong Live. At a time when youths are facing big problems to find employment, a young boy from Dilai's Kuala Langso area had decided to stand on his own feet through a profession which has now become his passion and a good source of earning. He opened a haircutting salon to support his studies and also supplement the earning of his family. Our correspondent from Dilai has sent us this story which will be inspirational for many youths. Alvin Teron is the son of Chandro Teron and Basaping Hippie of Udeng Tiso village in Kuala Langso, Dilai. He passed his matriculation from Dilai Higher Secondary School and is presently pursuing his BA from Eastern Karbi Anglong College in Hanjang Langso. Here he stays in a rented house away from his parents. Unlike several other youths who depend on their parents for all their expenses, Alvin could not afford to do so. Seeing that it would not be easy for his parents to regularly send him money, he started a saloon in Hanjang Langso. He manages all his needs including college fees and rations from the small earning he is making.
Non karjab lake Hanjang Langso long lapeng ke dak nilitheng non mat ladak isyak pula tu lake langne brothers tu nili nang kumri nang ko kathege la puhen lo je dak inut risu athege dilai oila lang sopen alang non Eastern College hanjang lang solong se alang college tami dumbok
nili labang so pulat ponang kok ma athe nili chichilo nili hem pen chenglok nili pai nili open chenglok ki non nopor ki mane nili pai nili ko tamene mane tangka maha pen chenglok ki kado ida na pado nili lo ki sita me alang pag nili nam pan padu ke masini ni nili hang tra sa masini ni kam chok pen college pen chenglok sona hin chu pen chenglok sabunjan pen chenglok kado ka ve tinilin thang sinan ko kan non bangke nili thang men start from bongo hem ke ni pai ni ko ke mane ni tum ke rong ma ti bi ate rong ke lutang ke la higi por lo rida por lo lan ve do lama ke pensior chulang nang ma puta non male ke nang ke puta din ta kali ate nami tum ta arjulong tai por jong tai po bin sorong ko bula ja ke lam ke asa ko the like in kind of glitter for on the lam asike dan ke bang sabo kasik sa tu mudo gari motor do suppose tami pot men mat ke long pit ke avida ti ati mage munit plane ping si ukuta mane bangji.
Talking to our Karbi Anglong Live, Elvin said that his aim is to join the defense service. Until his dream comes true, he is committed to condition with his hairdressing job. He is also a passionate dancer and enthusiastic beatboxer. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.